Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of receipts, invoices, and financial jargon, and you're just starting your business journey? Like, you're holding a life raft marked QuickBooks, but you're not sure if it's going to save you or just tip you over. You're staring at it, thinking, can I, a complete beginner, actually use this thing? Or am I going to accidentally delete my entire business? It's a question millions of aspiring entrepreneurs ask themselves. You've got this incredible idea, this passion, this drive. But then the reality of running a business hits you. Taxes, expenses, profit margins. It's enough to make anyone want to crawl back under the covers and pretend it's all a dream. You've heard about QuickBooks, right? The software that's supposed to make your life easier, your finances clearer. But when you look at it, it seems like a complex cockpit with buttons and dials you don't understand. And let's be honest, those online tutorials? They often assume you already know accounting basics like debits and credits, which, let's face it, you probably don't. You're not alone. I've been there. I remember staring at my screen, feeling like I was trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphs. I was a creative, not an accountant. I wanted to focus on my passion, not on spreadsheets and ledgers. But here's the thing. Understanding your finances is crucial for any business, no matter how small. And QuickBooks, despite its intimidating facade, is actually designed to help you do just that. So, let's cut through the noise and get to the heart of the matter. Can a beginner, someone with absolutely zero accounting experience, actually use QuickBooks? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But it's not as simple as flipping a switch. It requires a bit of patience, a willingness to learn, and most importantly, the right approach. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. QuickBooks can be overwhelming. It's packed with features, options, and terminology that can make your head spin. But here's the good news. You don't need to use every single feature to get started. In fact, you shouldn't. Think of QuickBooks like a toolbox. It has a lot of tools, some you'll use every day, others you might never touch. As a beginner, you need to focus on the essential tools, the ones that will help you manage your basic finances. What are those essential tools? Let's break it down. Setting up your company. This is the foundation. You need to input your business information, connect your bank accounts, and customize the settings to match your specific needs. QuickBooks has a setup wizard that guides you through this process, and there are tons of online resources to help you along the way. Creating invoices. This is how you get paid. QuickBooks makes it easy to create professional-looking invoices, track payments, and send reminders to clients. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create invoices that look good and get you paid faster. Tracking expenses. This is crucial for understanding where your money is going. QuickBooks allows you to categorize your expenses, upload receipts, and generate reports that show you your spending patterns. This helps you identify areas where you can cut costs and improve your profitability. Reconciling bank accounts. This is the process of matching your bank statements with your QuickBooks transactions. It ensures that your records are accurate and up-to-date. It might sound daunting, but QuickBooks makes it relatively straightforward. Generating basic reports. This is where you can see the big picture. QuickBooks allows you to generate reports like profit and loss statements and balance sheets, which give you insights into your financial performance. You don't need to be an accountant to understand these reports. QuickBooks presents the information in a clear and concise way. Now, how do you learn to use these tools? That's where the right approach comes in. Here are some tips for beginners. Start with the basics. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on the essential tools mentioned above and master them before moving on to more advanced features. Use online resources. QuickBooks has a wealth of online resources, including tutorials, videos, and help articles. Take advantage of them. YouTube is your friend. There are countless videos that walk you through every step of the process. Take a course. If you're struggling to learn on your own, consider taking a QuickBooks course. There are many online and in-person courses available, and they can provide you with structured learning and personalized support. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to learn QuickBooks is to use it. Start by entering your real transactions and generating reports. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help. QuickBooks has a support team that can answer your questions, and there are also online communities where you can connect with other QuickBooks users. Remember, you're not trying to become an accountant overnight. You're simply trying to gain a basic understanding of your finances so you can make informed business decisions. And here's a crucial point. QuickBooks isn't just about numbers. It's about empowering you to take control of your business. It's about giving you the confidence to make informed decisions based on accurate and up-to-date financial information. Imagine this. You're able to quickly generate an invoice for a new client, track your expenses to see where your money is going, and generate a profit and loss statement that shows you how your business is performing. Suddenly, those financial fears start to fade away. You feel more confident, more in control, and more empowered to grow your business. That's the power of QuickBooks. It's not just a software. It's a tool that can transform your business. Now, there are a few common pitfalls that beginners often encounter. One of the biggest is trying to do everything at once. They try to learn all the features and functionalities, and they end up overwhelmed and frustrated. The key is to start small and gradually build your knowledge. Another common pitfall is neglecting to reconcile bank accounts regularly. This can lead to inaccurate records and financial chaos. Make it a habit to reconcile your accounts at least once a week. And finally, don't be afraid to customize QuickBooks to fit your specific needs. QuickBooks is highly customizable, and you can tailor it to match your business processes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.